Mukhang magandang tsinelas to, oh. Nasa Crocs kami. Ni Mrs. T, kumukuha siya ng tsinelas, Crocs. Mukhang pamilya pa rin sila, eh.
Actually, flowers. Pick one. Wait, there's one over there. Which one? I can't help both of you. Which one? Just tell me what it is. If we can get them cheaper online.
Kumuha kaya ako? Kasi may mga attachment. Gusto kong ilagay yung pangalan ko dito sa mga butas, attachment. Ito yung mga attachments nila.
Because you have a shellfish out.
Bubuo ko ng pangalan, lakay. 5 letra, 25 bucks, pero 2 is free.
No? There's some more around here. There's some more.
Oh,
There's some up here. You see these?
natingin lang ako. Natingin lang ako. Natingin lang ako.
Sure, this is the color you want, Sol? There's blue one.
Bibili daw siya ng ano.
Bibili
Ano
din
ba
kayo?
gusto mo? Parang, unisex ba yan?
Yes po, ang crop.
Yeah, tinanong ko.
Minimalistic. Kukunin niyo yan siya?
I'm still thinking.
Sige na.
Gusto kong kumuha ng attachment kaya ako nainganyo, eh.
Akin na pa ba? Go na kayo. 5-5.
We don't give these. Okay? Don't touch. Touch it. Touch. Please.
I can get
Kuya, 5-5 get two.
Okay.
Sulat pa kayo.
It's gonna get dirty. It's not a watermelon. Okay, so let's not get that. We can get that. We can just have an extra. Can you double check that this is a trash? Buy two, get two free when you buy one.
Buy 5, get 2 free.
We're at 5 already, right? So,
Oh no, I'm getting 5-8.
yeah.
8-5.
I need one more.
Ito, gitara.
Sige, promo ko ng isa.
Musician ba si Kuya?
Okay, we can get 2 more. So, show me which ones you're buying.
Where's the
We don't
Y?
need to fill this out. This is too much work for me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Where's the Y?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's another one? Oh, 6. Okay, get one more and that's it.
Are you filming?
Is that it?
Is that okay to film? Yeah, absolutely. You can film me as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Could you help me?
No,
I
this
couldn't
is
find a
the
Y, man.
No, leave
I can
that.
help you out.
Okay, we got these 7. You can put some of them on the other property.
There's a Y over here. There you go. Y Z.
Let's go. I swear to God, these
They're together.
Yeah, absolutely. So this time I'm trying to have a conversation with the blogging part.
Yeah, I heard you because say hi. Hey to the vlog.
No, actually, it's not a blog. It's more like a family document.
I just say hi.
Even after 100 years, people will remember.
I'm most likely gonna upload this when you give me an idea.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah, yes po, apo.
So this 5.
Ay, 5 ka na?
Buy 5 get 2.
Oh, yan to.
It's gardening. I love gardening. Ano pa yun?
Ano to? Letter mo?
Scrabble.
Lakay.
Saka yun, gitara tsaka I love gardening. O, yan na yun. 5 plus 2, 3.
Yes po.
Babalik na lang ako sa iba pa. Ako nagsabi hindi ako pupunta dito.
Buy 5.
Buy 5 get 2 and then buy 8 get 5.
Gusto ko ng pula pang
Yan, hindi pwede sa akin madudumihan.
Ate na yung...
Papakita ko sa inyo, bago kong tsinelas na bili ni Mrs. T. Buti nakabili ng tsinelas. Binili ako ng tsinelas ni Mrs. T dahil gusto namin ibili, gusto ni Mrs. T ng Crocs, so nakakuha siya ng dalawa. At si ayaw naman ng mga bata. Ilang beses namin kinumbinse, kaya nandun ako pa uli-uli. Wala akong balak kumuha, pero nakakita ko nito, yung mga attachment. Inaengganyo ko. Alam niyo naman, boot guy ako. At ang naengganyo ko dito ay yung mga attachment nga dyan sa mga butas. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko ay yung yung Scrabble. Ito yung bili. Ito yung gusto niya, kinuha niya ni Mrs. T sa akin, pinili. Gitara at yung ito. Ayan. Siyempre, ang pili ko ay ito. Ayan siya. Okay ba? Now, ilalagay ko siya dito. Sa butas. Ito ay sabihin natin unboxing. Well, that's $65, kaibigan. $65. Hindi ko muna i-attach ito dahil pupunta kami sa yung boat ride, yung rapid. May rapid boat ride, yung agos, yung current may malakas. Kaya eto na. Nagbabike. Hindi ako boot guy ngayon. Naka-cracks. Ayan. Hindi ko akala magkakaroon ako nito, pero good.